bro, we got plenty of upside potential. You know what I'm saying? Just if you ever feel like you just miss your entry, dude, you don't need to run, you don't need to jump back at it. I mean, volume's all over the place. Let's reassess the situation, bro. I mean, we got strength and acceptance here above previous day high, right? We're coming into all-time high. There was a seller up there. It looks like he got eaten up pretty good. Let me see. Looking to see how price reacts here to the 9. Looks like it's holding pretty well. All right, let's see here. I mean, bro, everything's screaming bullish. And there it goes. This thing's gone. 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 Look at this thing. All right. I entered in.
I got in that, dude. I re-entered.
Yep. I entered in this. Let's play it. Let's play it. Put my stops in. Let's see. 320. Let's see where my stop's at here. Okay. Could probably bump my stop up a little bit. All right. Once again, playing with buyers. Let's see how this plays out. I mean, bro, reclaimed the 9, reclaimed all-time high. Let's get ourselves a little move to the upside here. I mean, bro, you got to play that. You have to.
Yeah, a retest to that zone is pretty critical for me. Yeah.
Let's see. 52. And now, bro, once you've done that, now literally all you could do is just let price play out. Now, my stop in this scenario, I'm going to suck that up a little bit. I don't have to accumulate all that. I'm going to put her in. Let's see what 400 looks like.
Wait, that Premarket high looks different on spot. I mean, on Thinkorswim and TradingView for some reason.
Okay. All right, let's see here. All right, so I'm going to keep my stop right below the top of this candle. If we fall below the top of this candle, that's going to tell me that this did not have the legs I thought it did. Let's see.
Yeah, mine's above PDH. And man, need some follow through.
It's hunting. She's hunting. Let's see. We got the volume, bro. We got the volume that I want. Let's see. And that's it, man. That's all. That's the way the cookie crumbles. I don't. Let's see here. Oh, bro, I think the market's in a really.
Wait, wasn't that 510 level? Remember when we were trading this the other day? Hold on. Was this last Friday? It was. It was Friday a week ago, man. We were trading this 510 level.
Yeah. Oh, the same exact level.
Yeah.
Yeah, all-time high. I mean, bro, I have to ask myself what acceptance looks like. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I mean, we ripped into it. I mean, there's a lot of there's a lot of upside potential on this trade, bro. And yeah, and once you got your risk reward, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing else you're playing other than your risk reward.
Yep.
Like that's how I see it. I put in the trade. I have my risk that I'm willing to accumulate. Let's battle this little level right here. We have to hold this. This 510.47. $5.10.47.
And yeah, I'm in on SPY this time.
Yeah, me too. And this is where I just watch how price reacts to the 9. It's the biggest thing for me. And another thing, right? Like on what candles are on SPY? All-time high candles, right? Those previous all-time highs right there at 510.14. Those candles right there. As long as we can hold 510.14, I gotta remain bullish. I think we're gonna get a nice explosion. Bro, look at that 1 hour, dude. Look at that 1 hour.
Wow.
I mean, bro, that thing is massive. All right, let's see if we can hold.
We need to make new highs on QQQ as well.
All right, let's see. Let's see how price reacts here. There we go. There we go, baby.
That's what I like to see.
Let's see if we could get this acceptance here. I mean, bro, you got to play that acceptance into all-time high. That 4 hour, bro. Look at that. Look at that 4 hour. Unreal. Unreal. Let's get it. I mean, come on, bro. Look at that. I mean, if that was a 5-minute chart, bro, that would be my entry. I'm definitely interested in swing trading, bro. I think we would make amazing swing traders.
You know what, bro? I'm actually shorting Apple right now.
Oh, you're going for the You're going for the duel.
Yeah, dude.
Are you? Hey, listen.
I'm in an Apple short right now, and as soon as we broke this, I just got in yesterday evening.
Oh, it's a swing trade.
Yeah, swing trade.
Nice.
So I'm letting it play out. We broke a critical demand. I'm targeting like a $6-7 move.
That's it, bro. That's all you could do, bro. Dude, swing trades, dude. I mean, people make a lot of money swing trading.
Yeah, I'm ready to swing Tesla too.
Here we go.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
Getting some strength here. Want to see. And right now, all I'm doing, I'm watching the candle in the 9. That's it. Just watching the candles in the 9. Watch how it reacts.
Okay, there's our 5 minutes.
Looks like Q's is coming up to her all-time, or her highs from previous.
High of day.
High of day. Here we go. Let's get this push. Let's get this push, boys and girls.
Let's get this money.
Now, as long as we don't get extended from that 9, I'll stay in the trade. I'm going to watch structure. Bam.
All right, new highs on QQQ. This is looking really good.
There we go.
This is looking really good.
Oh, lovely.
I'm about to scale here.
Lovely. Let's play this. Oh. This is looking really good.
Oh my God, bro.
Let's get it. All right. Just watching price in the 9, bro. That's it. That's all I do. Price in the 9 DEMA. Okay, I got my structure point right there. SPX. I want to see us hold the previous highs. And we'll go from there. In this case, dude, I do everything to not look at my profits. Because
Oh, dude.
I
do.
like it's hard sometimes because I mean I think we talked about it before. You get that that number in your mind, right? Like that
I don't see any benefit to doing it.
Yeah,
No.
it's not good.
Like you can watch your option contract chart and okay,
Yeah.
if I have 3 contracts, 5
Right.
contracts, you
Right.
gotta guess how much it is.
Yeah,
But really, just watching your risk to reward
it's
and
everything.
how much you want to reward yourself is all you need to do.
Yeah, it's the truth. All right, just watching structure in that price with the 9. It's at 1058. I mean, bro, dude, we find acceptance above all time high, dude. We could get ourselves a nice little rally today.
Yeah. I was really close to scaling out there, but it just didn't quite hit.
Yeah.
Didn't hit quite when I first take profit.
Well, and the big thing for me is it's sometimes you just got to let her go, All right, retesting structure. Let's see how she holds. I think I'm going to put my stop up here on SPX.
What do we got for news? What's going on here?
Oh yeah, something might be coming out.
So there's nothing going on right now. The next thing is at 12:15.
Nice. Okay.
I mean, these are really just like state Fed speeches. So.
Yeah, they're not super.
Not that crazy.
All right, price coming into that 9. Let's see here how she reacts. I like seeing that push from earlier. Let's see if this push can come back. I'm telling you, bro, so from, watching those recorded trades, dude, it helps me so much with like taking myself out of that, oh, I'm up, you know what I mean, mentality, like understanding there's always a bigger picture.
Yep. Sometimes when I record on my MacBook, like the speakers are so good, I can literally hear my breathing.
Yeah, that's a fact.
I can hear my breathing, and I can hear how calm I am, or how nervous.
Yeah, and look at what's happening when you're doing that, right? And then that's right there where you.
Okay. Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, like if you hear yourself breathing funny, and like notice what price action's doing. I'm starting to breathe a little funny because I'm, up a little bit, right? And it's like, oh, okay. Like, so now next time I'm up a little bit, I ask myself, well, what's the market telling me? All right, I want to see how price reacts to that 510.84. Ooh. I mean, bro, off larger time frames, I have to remain relatively bullish.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, in this scenario, I have to be okay with a pullback to 510 for. Ooh, here we go. Let's get that little push.
I want to go for a scale as soon as we break the top of this candle right here.
Oh, here we go. Ready? Hold on. Oh, bro. My premiums just roared.
That push is nice.
Oh, bro.
That's a nice push.
That's really nice. My premiums just literally jumped $200.
Fucking love it.
This is when the breathing heavy start. All-time high, baby.
I love
I'm playing into this.
The trade moves in your favor, and you start deciding, okay, when am I going to move my stop up? When am I going to reward myself, or how long am I going to wait for the rest of the setup to accumulate?
Yeah.
But I have my eye, at least on SPY, on this structure that we traded at 410.48.
Yes.
As of now, I'm cool with waiting for a pullback to that 410.48. But
let's get a push above 511. I'm looking for another push above 511. Oh, here we go, bro.
You're smooth sailing right now.
Come on. I mean, we're still holding the 9 relatively well. Yeah.
I'm just marking out my 1 to 3 reward on the option contract.
Nice. Oh, beautiful push. Beautiful push. Come on. Beautiful push. There we go. Oh, bro, that's fucking lovely.
Oh, that's fantastic, bro.
Break above 511 and hold. Break above 511. Oh, here we go. She's gone. Premiums up $280 on the premium on SPX.
Nice, bro.
This might be a runner though. Oh, bro. All right.
I'm so close to taking another contract here.
You gonna add in?
No.
Scaling.
Taking one off the top.
Yeah, I'm debating if we drop back below 5. Let's see. Just gonna watch that 9 real quick. Just gonna watch that 9. Oh, money shot. Money shot. That's a scale for me.
This is great.
Scaled on that. Oh my God. That was a lovely trade on SBX.
Cracked it.
Oh, Brody.
Oh, almost gave me my next one.
Let's get it. Great way to start March. I mean, very, very simple trade. Let's watch that 9 a little bit.
Yep, starting to get extended, but hey, at least that candle had a wick down into it.
Yeah, that was nicely done. Like that. Let's go. And like looking back, right? I like what caused the entry. I mean, it was a tough one. Things were happening really quick, but what's most important is you don't allow it to pull you out of the whole picture, right? You're going to miss entries. You're going to miss, you're not going to get the perfect entry all the time, right? And it's most important to you just reassess the scenario, right? Like, I mean, I'm not extremely happy with my entry on this trade, but at the same time, it still made me a great deal of money. I'd still hit my risk reward perfect.
All right, I scaled out again.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my God. All right.
I
got some runners here.
Yeah, I might leave a runner as well. Because this thing's cooking. What's Q's doing?
Oh, ripping absolute face.
Oh my God. Bro, I still have a QQQ contract.
Are you kidding me?
Bro, look at my, oh my God.
You still have that thing?
How? Look at where
I got stopped out, bro.
Look at, that's insane.
No, I got stopped out on
Something's, oh bro, the market's ripping face. Look at this. All right, let's just keep playing it. That's wild, bro. I don't understand. I bought my contracts for, I had a $40 stop. So I bought them for a 101 and I had a $60 contract. It was just one contract. That's why.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I took on a 40% risk on that trade. And you know what? Sometimes that's, if the conditions meet for it, so be it. It was just one contract. Look at this, bro. This is ripping. I have one more SPX contract. This thing is cooking.
So yeah, now I'm watching the 9 super close.
I think
I got a couple of runners here.
Let's see on Q's. it's worth leaving this QQQ contract. I wasn't even aware of it. It's a slip on my part. It's all right. All right, so Qs, I'm watching that 44284 level. Great trade, Darren. Great trade. This thing's going, dude.
Yep.
I am not.
I got stopped out. I got liquidity grabbed on Qs, but I ain't mad.
Yeah, it don't mean nothing. Don't mean nothing. And that's the thing, dude. You're going to be faced with, adversity. All right, I'm going to bump my stop up here on this Qs one. Let's see here. Wow, that's funny.
Yeah, my stop is moved up on SPY to 510.80.
Let's see how this plays out.
Oh,
this is a money trade, bro. These premiums, I'm up almost 400 on these premiums on SPX.
Oh, I have not even checked my P&L yet.
Don't need to.
Nuh-uh.
If I didn't look at my P&L, I wouldn't have scaled. It's all right though.
It really helps me to have my risk to reward mapped out on the option contract on the right-hand side, because that's the only thing that makes me take my contract, that makes me scale out, is when I hit these different risk to reward.
Well,
this
is the thing too, Debo. Hold on, 442. When you do that, bro, you really can't lose, because now you risk rewards everything in the market. Everything.
Yeah, it's the most important thing.
If you're not aware of what your risk reward is, that's why you're not profitable. I promise you. If you're aware of what your risk reward is, etc., you're gonna be able to make the right moves around that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so look, this came down here, 35% drawdown on this Qs trade. And this is the thing, I'm aware of my risk reward, so I was willing to, you know what I'm saying? Until I started trading risk reward, bro, I never had consistency because I didn't know what I was okay with losing. You know what I'm saying? Stop's gonna go right up here to 130. Let's see what this looks like here. I want to play this one right. So I'm going to go right below that right there. All right. Where's SPX at?
My bad. I just had to deal with something really quick.
You're good. All right. So my stop on SPX is below. It's right below the candle before it, and same with Qs. I love doing that.
I mean, that's all we got at this point.
Yeah.
There's no supply zones, no nothing. So
yeah.
we just got to go by structure on the candles.
It's about $20 away from my stop on SPX, but I'll I just got hit on it. It's okay. Still a great trade. SPX is funny. You like that pullback right there.
Oh yeah.
That cost me about $130 on the premium.
Oh yeah.
On the premium off the top. It was still a really good trade though. So I'm once again I hit my risk reward.
It kicked me. It just kicked me.
It's still a good trade. Qs looks.
Are you in that?
I'm still in Qs.
Oh right.
I got my stop right.
I'm surprised it took me out there.
I
had my thing below.
Are you in SPX or SPY?
No, SPY, but
yeah.
I thought I had my stop below that level because I really was looking for a retest at that candle. All right, that would have taken me out, I think.
Yeah, 100%.
All good, dude. All good.
Yeah, it's still a really good trade right here. This is what we call the base hits, bro. I mean, look at this. The beautiful move right there. That's playing with the conditions of the market, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of getting that overthink. I was overthinking it a bit, and
Yeah, I hesitated on that re-entry, but it's because I got stopped out before. I didn't want to just rush back into it. I'm glad.
yeah, exactly, dude. It's just all
I'm
about
glad I took time.
It's all about just having that awareness. Let's see here what this looks like on cues.
Dude, I gotta run take a leak, but I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, so if anyone's still in SPY, what I'm looking at here is the candle before it. See, this right here is how I identify structure, right? Like this is on the last 3 minutes, or I'm sorry, the last 3 candles. But that structure break right there, if buyers could get above that, which they're doing, that right there is gonna help you go, oh, this is still very bullish. And it keeps me in that like now moment very well. Might be leaving this on cues to breathe for a minute because this thing's cooking. But yeah, that right there is that, like grabbing the previous candle, because you got to think about it. The market's here to tell you one thing: strength and weakness. So if this was going to be weak, it wouldn't have been able to get back above the candle before it. Let me see here. Right. So the bottom of this candle right here, which is 51093. That right there is your like make or break point. That's how I look at it, right? Like in a bearish scenario, buyers aren't going to be able to hold that. Right? Buyers won't be able to hold this. Let me see here. This might be take profit time. Let's see. Getting kind of wicky up here. One hour. Let's see. Very extended on the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm going to take this. Let's see. Hold on. I want to see if SPY could get back above that level and hold. What do we got? Three more minutes on the candle. Just gonna move my stop. Yeah, I mean, dude, that's still strength. That's still, I mean, until buyers lose that previous candle there at 51095, this is bullish. I'm just constantly looking for little signs of strength and weaknesses.
Yeah, I agree.
You know what
I guess I'm happy I stopped out there, but I guess if you're still in the trade,
yeah,
the bottom of that candle.
Yeah, that right there. I mean, dude, even for entries, like if I was looking for maybe a re-entry into this, this right here would be my guideline, right? Like this little and what it is it's bearish structure trying to form, right? And it's either going to hold or it's not. And if it doesn't hold, that's telling you it's strength.
Yeah, so SPY is almost back above the 9 here.
We're very extended on the 1 hour on cues, and it's got me debating taking profit.
Yeah.
This is the thing, right? And
especially with that wick on SPY.
This is one contract, right? And that could either allow me to break character and go, oh, I'll just let it run, or you know what I'm saying? Like, and it's really important to be like, okay, right? Like, what would I do if this was 10 contracts, right? And
yep, exactly. Should be doing exactly the same thing.
I'm gonna let the 9 be my guideline. If we close above it, I stay in it. Great trade though, Debo. Great trade. You know, bro, I think we handled the morning session really well. I mean, just a quick little recap. I mean, price was all over the place. That 508.72 level was perfect, dude. I mean, it's literally what we were talking about. Right? We didn't want to short into it. Price rallied. We got news. We got a bunch of fundamentals. And dude, I think we were. I mean, with how quick price was reacting as well, I think we handled it extremely well.
Yep.
We got Qs ripping right now. Wow, Qs with the strength.
Oh my, yeah.
And that's one of the main reasons why I was like, okay, I mean, I think we said it last time, right? What sort of move are you trying to capture? And if you're trading lower size and you're willing to accept a certain risk, then no doubt, right? And it's like, that's one thing I learned with SPX is like the percentage is irrelevant. It's your risk, your reward, right? So, wow, dude, this thing's cooking, Debo. 63% on this little guy.
Nice.
But I mean, what's wild is this move on SPX was literally like 63%. So it's like, it's just being aware of what you're doing, right? And just, okay, so I'm going to keep my eye here on the 9. Let's see here. It's kind of hard setting this up. So, Darren, the way you do this is if you enter, let's say you enter at $100 contract, you're going to set your first take profit at 130. Or is that like
so actually last week what I did is I changed my risk to 20. So before I had it at $15 per contract, so now I have it at 20. So my max risk is $20 per contract, and so my first take profit would be 120.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. My first take profit would be at 120, next at 140, and then I'm scaling out the majority of my position at 1 to 3, which would be 160.
Okay. I like that.
Yeah, I switched it just because I felt like 15 was too tight.
Yeah.
15 was not giving my trades enough room to breathe, and actually this week it's been working really well for me.
Right.
Yesterday I had one losing trade. That's it.
Well, and this is the thing, bro. Like when your risk reward is intact, it's a losing trade is part of the process. You know what I'm saying? Like you start to get that law of averages working for you. Oh, bro, it's like life really starts to change. Right? Like I know trading SPX really highlighted that for me. Like it was if I'm bringing in 200 to 250 on a trade, like what am I okay with losing? Right? Like like whether it's 150, even just highlighting what a 1-to-1 looks like, right? And how your win ratio, like and just realizing, right, like your win ratio helps your risk reward. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just like being aware. Being aware.
It's so crazy. If you don't until it actually starts working for you, it's really really hard to believe.
See it,
you lose more than your hit rate can be less than 50%. So you're losing more times than you're winning, but you're still being profitable. It's like you almost can't believe it until you actually do it.
Yeah, it's very true. You have to be able to see it. All right, so I'm trying to do like that same candle trick here. It's kind of hard because the wicks are kind of far away. So I'm just going to use the body of it, right? I'm going to use the body of the candle. My stop's pretty much at 44288. Let's see if I can manage this right. Once again, we're really extended on the 1 hour, but I mean, we are above all-time highs, so let's see. Closed above below the 9. This is going to be a take profit for me. Let's see. I want to see price come up to that 9 and react to it. It's that 44325. I'm just going to put my stop in at 100. Contracts are at 160. I'm going to put them in at 148. Let's just see how that goes. Yeah, that works. See, we're kind of getting some pushback right there. Let's see. Bro, these conditions are different, bro. It's a lot different than we're used to. It's I mean, there's a lot of like finding the bear traps and playing them accordingly. Okay. Bing. Hit me. Good. All right. Well, that wraps it up, guys. That was a wild day on the wild morning session. Once again, I think we played it well. Trading's all about just being super adaptive and being able to navigate through this crazy market, right? And you're gonna miss entries, right? If I could take anything from this live, it's you're gonna miss entries when volume's extremely high, right? Like just be hyper aware of the conditions you're playing, right? And I mean, using that 9 DEMA helps me tremendously as well, right? Like how's price reacting to it? What sort of structure are you getting? And et cetera, right? I mean, it's what'd you say, Darren? The market's there's never two of the same days, right? It's always going to be different. So, oh,